हाय फ्रेंड्स, हेलो एंड वेलकम टू कॉम्पिटिटिव कीड़ा। कॉम्पिटिटिव कीड़ा में आपका स्वागत है। सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर हियर विथ अ न्यू इनिशिएटिव, banking awareness question from previous year exams. From previous year IBPS, PO, IBPS clerk, SBI, we have collected the previous year questions. So this is the part one of this. So let's start. And remember friend, this will be useful in all the upcoming exams because banking awareness question do repeat. So please watch this video till the end. So here is the first question, and this is the easiest of the all. Who controls the monetary policy? So it is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. And let me discuss some current news related to this. Recently Monetary Policy Committee has been set up by the union government, and in this total there are 6 members. 3 will be from RBI and 3 will be from union government, and monetary policy is given bi-monthly. So the next question, which card is issued by NPCI? So what is NPCI? National Payment Corporation of India. So this is a brainchild of RBI. And RuPay card is issued by NPCI. Like Visa, Mastercard, their card issuing company. So RuPay is similarly a card issuing company and is controlled by NPCI. And recently NPCI also launched its one of the other product. It is UPI, Unified Payment Interface. Also remember this. MICR code consists of how many digits? It consists of 9 digits. The first 3 digits denotes the city, the next 3 digits denote the bank, and the last 3 digits denote the bank's branch. And what is the full form of MICR? It is Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. So remember this friend. The full form of MICR is Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, and it contains 9 digits. So the next question, what is the minimum limit in RTGS system? So what is the full form of RTGS? It is real time gross settlement. The full form of RTGS is real time gross settlement, and the minimum limit is 2 lakh and there is no upper limit. Also remember this friend. So what is the full form of CTS? So CTS means check truncation system, and it has been introduced in 2010. Previously the system was the paper checks were transferred to bank, but now instead of the paper check, a scanned copy, a image of the check is transferred. So there is, this system is of huge advantage. Remember, this is used in check clearing, check truncation system, under which services customer may access their bank account and perform basic transaction from any of their member branches. So the answer here is CBS, core banking solution. And what is core? Core means centralized real-time exchange. Core is centralized real-time exchange. CBS is the system. You can operate your bank account from anywhere. Exchange of cash flow in different currencies known as what? So it is known as currency swap, means exchange of currency from dollar to Indian rupee, from Indian rupee to dollar, and all that. Assets or loan which stop performing after 90 days are known as what? So those are known as non-performing asset, and this is regulated by the Surface Act. And there are 3 types of non-performing asset. One is substandard, then is doubtful, and last one is lost. Substandard means it is more than 90 days but less than 1 year. Doubtful means it is more than 1 year. And lost means it cannot be recovered. So what is current account deficit? It is a measurement when the value of good imported exceeds the value of good exported. So the net is in minus, so it is deficit. Full form of IFSC. So it is Indian Financial System Code. Remember this, Indian Financial System Code. And where this is used? This is used while transfer of money in NEFT and RTGS. You use IFSC code. Mutual fund is Mutual fund in India follow accounting standard led by which of the organization? So the answer here is SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, and this is the capital market regulator of India. RBI is the money market regulator, SEBI is the capital market regulator. So what is the minimum amount for certificate of deposit? So the minimum amount is 1 lakh. So PIN number which is allocated to the individual, you might have seen in ATM the PIN number is there. What is the full form of that? So it is personal identification number. Remember this, personal identification number. AML, which is mainly used in financial and legal industry. What is the full form of that? So the full form is anti-money laundering. And friends, there are 3 stages in money laundering. The first stage is presentation, then it is layering, then it is integration. Remember this, presentation, layering, integration. So what is repo rate? This is very basic question. the rate at which RBI lend money to commercial bank for their short-term needs. And if it is given long-term needs, then it is bank rate. So what is the repo rate now? It is 6.25%. What is tail check? A check which is presented in the bank after the validity is over. Normally the validity of checks and drafts are 3 months. So after that, if it is presented, it is known as tail check. And also remember friends, if it is presented before the date, means the date mentioned in the check, it is known as post dated check. Post dated check. And if it is present after, it is known as tail check. What is bank assurance? So bank assurance is when bank starts selling some insurance product. Maybe it is of their own or they have tied up with some insurance company. So when bank starts selling insurance product in the bank premises, it is known as bank assurance. So KYC, remember the full form also, know your customer. Guidelines are issued under which act? So those are issued under section 35 of Banking Regulation Act 1949. So what are the KYC document you need to open a bank account? Those are proof of identity and proof of address. Proof of identity can be PAN card and all. Proof of address is voter ID, telephone bill and all. So BSBD account, basic saving bank deposit account, the credit limit in a financial year should not exceed how much rupees? So the answer is 1 lakh. Again a question from basic savings bank deposit account. So the balance at any point of time should not exceed what amount? So the answer is 50,000. So here we read in a financial year the amount should not exceed 1 lakh and balance at any point of time should not exceed 50,000. So what is the withdrawal limit for basic saving bank deposit account? Withdrawal or transfer limit in a month, it is 10,000. So in a year the financial limit is 1 lakh. Money at a point of time in that account should not exceed 50,000 and transaction, that is withdrawal and transfer, in a month should not exceed 10,000. Remember these 3 points. What is the full form of CASA? So the full form of CASA is current account saving account, and the more the ratio of current account and saving account to the loan, so the better is the position of the bank. So what is the denomination of commercial paper? Commercial paper is a negotiable instrument and its denomination are in 5 lakh and multiple of thereof. What is the minimum denomination of treasury bill? So treasury bill is a negotiable instrument and the minimum denomination of it is 25,000. So this is very important. This full form is asked many a times in many exam. So ASBA, what is the full form of this? Application supported by blocked amount. Remember this full form because sometimes they may give this term and they may ask what B stands for in this term. So remember the full form, application supported by blocked amount, and this is used during IPO, initial public offering. So friends, hope you have liked this initiative. Please give your feedback in the comment section. If you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it. You will get regular notification of all the study related material we upload. If you have any queries, mail us at competitivekid@gmail.com, like our Facebook page. Link is given in the description. Check our other videos also. The links are given in the description, like current affairs, banking and financial awareness, important schemes, important appointment. Do check those out. So keep studying, keep enjoying. Thank you.